मुझे क्यों ये काली बोलते हैं, क्यों मुझे ऐसे बोलते हैं कि काली माता आ गई, दिस एंड दैट, एंड माय मॉम इज लाइक कोई बात नहीं, बोलने दो, इट्स ओके, दो ही कलर होते हैं, गोरा एक काला, कोई बात नहीं, तुम्हारा काला है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। तो यू नो माय मॉम वाज द, I can say my mom was the inspiration for me. I was very dark, like yeah. Okay. And because I was playing in the sun all the time, I was out, and in my school, everyone was like, you know, चिढ़ावट में like, oh, she's काली, ये काली माता है, ये क्या हीरोइन बनेगी, ये क्या मॉडल बनेगी, काली माता को थोड़ी हीरोइन बनाते हैं। So I was like very traumatized with all these things. Of course. मेरा confidence level नीचे जाता था, फिर ऊपर जाता था. Then I saw like all Priyanka Chopra and everyone. I was like, Bipasha Basu. I was like, it is also down. मेरे फ्रेंड्स होते थे, लोगों ने उनकी मॉम ने, उनके डैड ने मुझसे बात करना बंद करवा दिया उनको। मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स, माय फ्रेंड्स लाइक, इसके साथ नहीं घूमना, इसके साथ नहीं जाना, बिकॉज आई वाज वर्किंग।
यू इन्फ्लुएंस, मतलब आप उनसे इन्फ्लुएंस हो रही थी किसी चीजों को लेकर?
हनी तो आई मीन अगेन ये किस लाइन में डाल दिया बेटी को, क्यों ये करना है, तो मैं नहीं पता ये कैसा है। घर का खाना होना चाहिए, बट द मोस्ट फेवरेट इज सरसों का साग। लाइक आई कैन ईट दैट 365 days. आई लव सरसों का साग।
सलमान खान क्या चल रहा है?
क्या चल रहा है?
कोई तो
मेरा कुछ नहीं चल रहा उनसे।
अरे नहीं Hi, this is Jay and you're watching me on Galata, India. Today I'm in conversation with someone who is very pretty, has done a great job doing wonders in her life, presenting Hira Sohail. Hi Hira, how have you been?
Hi Jaya, thank you so much for having me here. I've been good in front of you.
We are here for lunch break, by the way.
Yeah.
Okay. At Beirut, it's a good location, a bit humidity in Bombay, of course.
Which is fine.
But tell me something.
Yeah.
How are the comments on Inspector Avinash?
Comments are like people, they are meeting me in person also, like in my lift, in my gym, outside, and they are like, you know, ऐसा कॉप तो पहली बार देखा है। I was like,
ऐसा फिट कॉप पहली बार देखा है।
पहली बार देखा है। तो yeah, I'm loving the comments. I'm loving that people are loving it also.
Right.
And I mean, it's not only my part they're loving whole the web series.
And that's the reason I think it came to the दूसरा वाला part.
Yes.
The first one was crazy, and now they're demanding for part 3.
Yes. Everyone
I
is
saw
asking
that message.
me.
Yes.
Everyone is asking me when it's
But
coming.
do you have any idea?
No idea at all.
Or you're hiding from us?
You can take either way.
It is coming, guys.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. But this is something you were waiting for, like this kind of role or this kind of series.
So Jay, you know, like as an actor, I am waiting for everything,
right?
Which is very good for me. So yes, I didn't expect like my first project would be like police or you know in that form. But yeah, I'm so grateful about it that okay, I got this and I have done it. Yeah, I mean, it's like you know, sometimes what do you feel like as an actor? Earlier like I was thinking, like. I'm not saying that I'm like most beautiful girl in the world, but I feel like okay, I am like pretty girl, you know, tall, this and that. I will get roles like you know that modern roles and all, but I was a little wrong about it. But when I got this role and I asked my director, so do you think I can do this? He said, of course you can do it, and that makes me like wow. And I was like okay. If you are very much confident about it, why not? I think I can try it on.
Right.
And when I give my audition and when I give when they take my took my screen test, I was like perfect. Wow. That's what we wanted. Wow. I was like okay, let's go. So I was like I was very happy about it. Like I didn't think about it like I will get this role. Or maybe I will do something like this. But yes, it was in my plate and I was like, why not?
Of course. Yeah. But just like you said that you were waiting or you were thinking to do roles which are modern, which are glamorized in short way.
Yes.
But did this, when it came to you, this kind of role, was you satisfied कि नहीं करना ही है अब इसको?
क्योंकि जब मैं अपने डायरेक्टर से मिली तो उन्होंने मुझे बोला, उन्होंने मेरा पूरा माइंडसेट चेंज कर दिया. because I was doing modeling. I was Miss Punjab 2017.
Yes,
Then
yeah.
I got Miss Catwalk
I know.
and all this stuff, and I was doing songs. So मेरा mind इतना open नहीं था acting को लेके. Slowly when I got into it, and I was like, okay, maybe this is what it is. तो मेरा पूरा mindset, I mean, the whole thought process got changed.
Right.
कि, okay, this is what actors need, you know.
Wow.
That's what I want to do.
Yeah.
I have done my things like
Right.
modeling, this
Yeah.
and that, but that's not my end. I want this thing now.
Because you already had name, fame,
Yeah.
everything. You were a Miss
I'm
Punjab.
getting there. I'm getting there.
But you did. You started from Punjab cinema.
Yes,
Punjabi
yes,
cinema.
yes,
I
yes.
want to know this.
Yeah. Oh,
Lunch
wow.
break. Your lunch is here.
Yeah, thank you.
2 types of hummus. Classic hummus with Bharatali hummus. We're serving 3 cold dips over with that. The Muqabal, Bharat hummus and Muqamda. Also, tabla salad,
Yeah.
and great falafel and so.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah.
So just like that, I was saying कि you started from your Punjab
Yeah.
cinema and you
So,
have
because I'm born and raised in Mohali.
Mohali, yes.
Then yeah, I started from there. I started my journey very early, and it's like I started, I think, when I was 10 or 11, but not in this industry.
Right.
But I was doing some other things
Yeah.
because of my some like home issues. So
I
you know, because of that, I started so early. But that motive and the focus was this only. Like I wanted to be an actress.
Okay.
That is there in my head. Although I felt like when I was kid, तो ऐसा लगता था ना कि अरे मैं tall हूँ. You know, तो घर में सबसे tall मैं ही हूँ. My
हाँ.
mom and me, like,
हाँ.
so we are the tallest one. And I was like, I'm the tallest girl, and I have that. You know, पतली पतली लड़कियां होती हैं मॉडलिंग में. तो yes, मुझे इसलिए भगवान ने नीचे भेजा. That was my thought process.
Of course,
Like,
such fun.
मैं
Yes.
इसलिए आई हूँ क्योंकि उन्होंने मुझे, I always talk to God, like, you know, that way. I said, बाबा जी आपने मुझे क्यों भेजा है? Then I was like, मुझे पता है आपने मुझे क्यों भेजा है. मुझे हीरोइन बनना है इसलिए आपने मुझे भेजा. वो पता नहीं, वो बचपन से ही मेरे माइंड में ऐसे सेट था कि okay, I wanted to be this.
हाँ.
And yeah, slowly my mom, she was like pushing me a lot, and she had a dream. That,
Wow.
yeah, she had a dream कि मैं
Because अक्सर क्या होता है ना छोटे शहरों में, क्योंकि मैं भी एक छोटे शहर
Yes,
से हूँ,
yes.
and Punjab was also the बन रहा था.
Yes,
Mohali
yes,
is also
Mohali is
a
like very
small
small
city,
city, yes.
and a very clean city. I must say this.
yeah.
But वहाँ पे ना नजरिया अलग होता है लोगों का.
बिल्कुल.
उस वक्त में जिस टाइम पे हम बड़े हो रहे थे,
Yes, yes,
है ना?
yes, of course.
तो उस टाइम पे लोग कैसे देख रहे थे इस चीज को?
Jaya,
आसपास
you know what? Like when I started from childhood, I'm seeing all these things. Like जो जब मैंने आपको बोला मैं 10 साल की थी जब से मैं
Yeah,
काम कर रही हूँ
yeah.
तब से, और तब तो मैं इस इंडस्ट्री में नहीं थी, बट स्टिल आई वाज गोइंग आउट, आई वाज डूइंग समथिंग. पीपल वर कि अरे इतनी छोटे बच्चों को भेज दिया आपने,
Right.
अरे आप ऐसा कर रहे हो वैसा कर रहे हो. तो माय मॉम वाज लाइक, आई नो व्हाट माय किड्स आर डूइंग. she's like
Wow.
I know. And people, जैसे जैसे मैं बड़ी होती रही और फिर मैंने शोज करना शुरू किया, मैंने इवेंट्स करना शुरू किया, मेरे जो भी माय गॉड मेरे जो भी यू नो
फैमिली में
फैमिली मेंबर, तो चलो एक बहुत अलग बात
हम्म.
होती है, वो तो दूर की रिश्तेदारियां होगी, मासी बुआ ये तो दूर
Right,
रहते हैं. जो
right.
आपके सराउंडिंग
आसपास.
मेरे फ्रेंड्स होते थे, लोगों ने उनकी मॉम ने, उनके डैड ने मुझसे बात करना बंद करवा दिया उनको. मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स, माय फ्रेंड्स, लाइक इसके साथ नहीं घूमना, इसके साथ नहीं जाना,
Oh my God.
बिकॉज आई वाज वर्किंग, you know.
I know.
And that time people were not
Correct.
that much aware,
Aware.
and उनका mind open नहीं था.
Right.
And they're like, no, don't go out with Hira, we will not send you with her, this and that. And I was telling my mom, I was like, मम्मी ऐसा क्यों कहते हैं? मम्मी कहते हैं वो उनका माइंड है, वो उनकी सोच है, आप रहने दो. तो कितना मतलब people were talking shit, but now same people
Wants to talk to you,
Yes.
and you don't have
They
time
are-
for
they
them.
are sending me messages on my
Right.
Instagram, and they are calling my mom. हाँ, हीरा का गाना देखा था हनी सिंह के साथ, हीरा को यहाँ देखा था, वहाँ देखा था. You know, now they are like, हीरा को देखा था हमने वेब सीरीज में, इधर से. हाँ, सेम हीरा है, कुछ नहीं चेंज.
Wow, this is such an inspiration, guys.
Yeah,
But Hira, tell me one thing. That moment,
yeah.
किसी चीज ने तोड़ा आपको कि नहीं यार, मतलब इतने लोग बात कर रहे हैं, आई थिंक आई हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ क्वालिटी, या फिर मैं काम कर सकती हूँ, बट समथिंग दैट वाज कीप गोइंग ऑन योर माइंड.
बहुत सारे ऐसे ऊपर नीचे आपको आपके लाइफ में, यू नो, जब आप ग्रो कर रहे होते हो और जब आप उस मुकाम पे नहीं पहुंचे हो अभी और जहाँ पे आप पहुंचना चाहते हो, बहुत सारे लोग आपको नीचे उतारते हैं, बहुत सारे लोग आपकी बैक बाइटिंग करते हैं। आपको एक थॉट तो आता है कि आई थिंक आई एम नॉट ऑन अ गुड path. I think this is the wrong path. Although like my family member also, like some of them like ये किस लाइन में डाल दिया बेटी को, क्यों ये करना है, तो मैं नहीं पता ये कैसा है. My mom said it's my upbringing. I know what my kids are doing. And
Wow.
I'm very proud of them.
Wow.
So my mom is like always like you know वो एक हमारा pillar बन के always she's there.
Wow.
तो उन्होंने कभी सोचा नहीं है कि मैं बैक आउट कर लूँ और बच्चों को पीछे अपने ले आऊँ. नहीं. Although when I was in Chandigarh, so my mom like every time you know when I was 15, 16 I think she's like चलो बॉम्बे चलते हैं. And she doesn't know anything
About Bombay.
about Bombay.
हाँ.
हमारे दूर तक कोई रिश्तेदार नहीं है बॉम्बे में, कोई भी नहीं है. She's like चलो बॉम्बे चलते हैं. like मम्मी कैसे जाएंगे? नहीं चलते हैं, ट्रेन में चलते हैं, ऐसे करते हैं. And I was just looking at her like I don't know what is she thinking.
Wow.
And she was so brave and she was so strong. But वो हुआ नहीं, मतलब हमारे घर के कुछ हालात ऐसे थे या कुछ चीजें ऐसी थी कि हम नहीं कर पाए. But when I got the chance and she's like, okay, now this is the time. I want you to move to Bombay. यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है. I was like, Mummy, are you sure? She said yes. She pushed me and she said, just go and नहीं होगा, कोई बात नहीं, देख लेंगे, तुम जाओ. Then I moved here and I didn't know anyone. I met a girl on Facebook. Can you imagine? Yes.
What are you saying? Seriously?
Yeah.
Wow.
So I met a girl on Facebook. I was talking to her. I was just putting Bombay and all. तो उस पे आ जाता है कि बॉम्बे में एक लड़की घर किसी रूममेट को ढूंढ रही है.
Roommates. Yeah.
And
Roommates.
I was like, I just clicked on it. I was like, I think I need to talk to her. I spoke to my mom. I said, Mama, there's a girl. She's Muslim. And you think I should talk to her? She said, it doesn't matter. She's Muslim. She's Punjabi. She's Hindu. It's fine. And I was like, okay. Then I spoke to her. And the girl was so nice. And she said, yeah, you can come. I said, I don't know anyone here. She said, I'm there. You know,
wow. I think every girl will relate to it because I'm also not from Bombay and I have also switched from somewhere else. Yeah. So I gonna relate this and many girls out there gonna relate this. कितनी problem होती है.
Look, I'm having goosebumps right now. Problem तो होती है, लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लगता है जब आपका विजन और आप सच्चे दिल से, वही बात है ना, आप सच्चे दिल से जो चाहो आपको जरूर मिलेगा. तो वो मेरा विजन था कि मुझे यहाँ पे आना है, मुझे यहाँ पे सेटल डाउन होना है और मुझे ये करना है. मैंने अपना फोकस, अपना विजन चेंज नहीं किया. And thanks to God and thanks to my Vaheguru Ji that he made my ways and he put me here and universe is just playing with me and I'm so happy.
That should. I think you're going to do more wonders in your life.
You so much.
Okay, because you're doing great. I must say this.
Thank you.
But Hira, tell me one thing that उस मोमेंट पे कोई इंस्पिरेशन था आपका या फिर किसी को देखती थी और आप बस डांस करना स्टार्ट कर देती थी, गाना चालू कर देती थी? At that time, when you were just growing, we were just evolving in your life.
Yeah, because that time I'm watching all those like Priyanka Chopra, Aishwarya Rai, उनको सबको टीवी पे देखना, तो उनको देख के I feel like, oh, I can do it because I was very dark.
Right.
When I was kid, I was very dark. Like okay. And because I was playing in the sun all the time, I was out, and in my school, everyone was like, you know, चिढ़ावट में like, oh, she's Kali, ये काली माता है, ये क्या हीरोइन बनेगी, ये क्या मॉडल बनेगी, काली माता को थोड़ी हीरोइन बनाते हैं. So I was like very traumatized with all these things.
Of course.
मेरा confidence level नीचे जाता था, फिर ऊपर जाता था. Then I saw like all Priyanka Chopra and everyone. I was like, Bipasha Basu. I was like, they're also dark. मुझे क्यों ये काली बोलते हैं, क्यों मुझे ऐसे बोलते हैं कि काली माता आ गई, this and that. And my mom is like, कोई बात नहीं, बोलने दो. It's okay. दो ही कलर होते हैं, गोरा एक काला, कोई बात नहीं, तुम्हारा काला है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. तो you know, my mom was I can say my mom was the inspiration for me. She is the one. चलो हम आइडल्स को देखते हैं कि ओके प्रियंका चोपड़ा, ऐश्वर्या राय, ये सब को देखते हैं, बिपाशा बासु. बट आई थिंक जो आपको फैमिली में एक इंसान आपको पुश करता है ना, वो जो आइडल होता है आपका, वो आपकी मॉम आई थिंक होती हैं. तो शी वाज लाइक पुशिंग मी थ्रू आउट ऑल द टाइम. शी वाज लाइक, नहीं करना है, कोई बात नहीं, करना है, इट्स ओके. But she's always like that.
Wow.
And when I was 8, I was doing my homework, and when my chachu came and he's like, wow, bhabhi isko na painter banayenge. And I looked at him, I put my pen down, I was like, no, मुझे नहीं
way.
बनना पेंटर, मुझे मॉडल एक्टर बनना है. एंड ही सेड तुझे पता भी है मतलब क्या होता है? लाइक हाँ मुझे पता है. You know, that way. Then I think from childhood I decided like I wanted to
Be an actor
Yeah.
and model.
That's all.
But why the shift? Like, of course, you got a good music project, good movie offers, but the shift from Punjabi cinema to Bollywood,
Yeah.
was that intentional? Like कि नहीं वहाँ जाके नाम बनाना है, something like that?
मुझे ऐसा लगता है यहाँ पे ज़्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं आपके पास. उस टाइम पे जब मैं वहाँ पे थी तो इतना, अब तो पंजाब में भी काफ़ी काम करते हैं,
Yes.
बट यहाँ पे बॉम्बे में आई फील लाइक ज़्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं मुझे बॉलीवुड में काम करना था. और मैं आई एम वेरी मच ओके विद माय पंजाबी इंडस्ट्री आल्सो, बिकॉज माय रूट्स आर देयर एंड
Of
माय
course.
फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज इज पंजाबी.
Of course.
And I mean, I can't say that I don't want to do Punjabi films. Yes, I want to do Punjabi films, Bollywood, Hollywood, everything I want
Right.
to do.
Absolutely. Please have your favorite. I think it's kind of favorite. I don't know if you
Yeah,
like
I
it or
love
not.
this. Yes, I love
By
this.
Beirut.
Yeah.
What is your favorite food from Mohali? You go and binge watch or binge eat? something like-
Mohali, I can say like in Chandigarh. So there is the 8 or 9 sector. There is one dumplings. Oh my God! Whenever I go there, I just eat them.
Oh my
The name is Dumpling Shop. They are too good. Otherwise, I only love घर का खाना.
Like घर के खाने में क्या?
घर का खाना होना चाहिए. But the most favorite is सरसों का साग. Like I can
Oh
eat
my
that 365 days. I love सरसों का साग. Yeah.
पंजाबी कुछ अच्छा भी बनाते हैं यार वो, है ना?
वो तो हमारे है.
हमारे
yeah.
वहाँ का ही है ना. You can take that.
Yeah, बिल्कुल. So yeah, that way. I mean, I'm foodie. I'm very foodie, but I love mostly Mexican और घर का खाना.
But you, when you decided to shift, अब proper बॉम्बे तो shift हो चुके हो आप अच्छे से.
Yeah.
है ना, बहुत time से रह
Yes,
रहे हो.
yes.
You like the vibe of
Oh
Bombay?
yes, I don't think so. I can move anywhere else. This is my. I think this is my place.
Karmabhumi,
Yes, my
Marubhumi,
Karmabhumi,
every
Marubhumi, everything is. Yeah.
But what do you all do? What do you go? Where do you go when you're getting bored or something like that? Any place to eat or something to hop?
Here in Bombay,
Huh?
yeah, I go everywhere. Like I always try new cafes. Like in Bandra, there's so many cafes
Yeah,
are there, and one of my favorite is like Boca and Bougie Cafe. I love it, and there's the Earth Cafe. A lot of cafes are there. Like
Keep eating foods there.
yeah.
Morning person or a night person?
Morning. Like,
Oh my God,
I'm
what
an
time
early-
you wake up?
7:30.
Nice, not bad.
Yeah. Always like
मुझे
that.
लगा 5:30 6:30 बोलोगे अभी
नहीं,
शक्ल
5
छुपाना
वो बहुत
पड़ेगा.
ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. 7 I think it's completely fine. 7:30 like.
But do you know how to cook?
No. I only know how to eat. I'm not a good cook at all.
Very good.
Yeah, but if you come my home, then I can make a nice coffee or maybe.
I'm a coffee person.
Me
I
too.
think I will come for only coffee.
Please do come. So yeah, I can do that.
Yes. But tell me, do you still approach for roles or roles come to you?
No. I do that. I go and meet people. Like whenever there's audition, I'll go and give auditions. Sometimes it happens like, okay, maybe they think, okay, maybe Hira, you can do this one. But that's now, it's again up to me. Like, you know, in my career, I don't want to do good roles. I want to do meaningful roles.
The
Impactful and meaningful roles. Like, I just don't randomly, okay, this is there, okay, go and do it. Although I'm not that big right now to show something, but still, I feel like what I want, so I just put my intention in that, like this is what I want and this is what I want to do.
True.
Yeah, so again, like no good roles, only impactful roles I want to do.
Wow.
Yeah.
But do you have any process to reach out to people, or do you randomly get to know something about, or
No,
to director keep texting or something like that?
No, that's what we have to do. Like
Yeah.
we have to message them. We have to remind them, okay, hello, I'm also there. You know, there's one Hira Sohal and all. But yes, we have to do this. Like we have agents, coordinators, you know, like casting directors. We have to go and meet them. Yeah, but there's a process.
Of course.
Yeah.
But does anyone around you have ever made you feel like कि यार अभी तो नहीं है, बाद में बताएंगे, अभी
Yeah.
कुछ नहीं है,
Of
अभी
course.
तुम्हारे लिए नहीं है,
Of
तुम फिट नहीं बैठोगी इस चीज
So
के
many,
लिए.
so
How do you
many.
deal that?
Acceptance.
Huh?
Yeah.
Does that feel bad or hurt?
Sometimes पहले होता था ऐसा, but now we know like this is how it is. This is how we have to deal about it. And अभी फील बैड करके भी क्या कर लोगे आप?
Correct.
You know, आप like you will get sad and you'll be like अरे यार क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, कैसे है, क्यों है? But now I think I'm on that point in my life. I feel like okay, Hira, just do it. You know, just go and give audition. ठीक है? If it's in your destiny, it will come to you. If it's
True.
not, then it's fine.
True.
I think I prep myself in that way.
Correct.
Although like I do meditation and all, so I think उसने मुझे बहुत help की है. पहले I was not like that. अरे क्यों नहीं हो रहा, आपने क्यों ऐसे किया, this and that. I was like used to fight with him. But now I'm like okay, relax. No.
Tell me one thing. I think all the 20s, all the 30s, even 40 ladies will relate to it. Who is working, who is juggling, who is taking a lot of pressure because कहीं ना कहीं हम हर rejection से go through कर रहे होते हैं and then we think that कि the end है, यहाँ पता नहीं क्या होगा आगे. We take so much of pressure. And being a lady, I just want to say this to you that कि हम लेते हैं ये pressure, general. Talk to me, how do you deal with it and what's the process to deal with it? Because you're in the glamour world, every time around the cameras, every time around people, जहाँ पे एक rejection तोड़ देती है और एक success बहुत बड़ा बना देती है.
You know, Jaya, मुझे ऐसा लगता है it's all about acceptance. आपने accept कर लिया कि this is what it is. अभी कल आप एक producer हो, मैं आपके पास आ रही हूँ, आप मुझे बोल रहे हो हीरा, I don't think so I can fit you in it, but I'm expecting a lot from you, but still you can't see me in that way. But I have to, you know, tell myself it's fine. This is the, I think, code word for me. It's fine and move on. It's okay and move on. I think God has better plans for me. I think universe is making my way to that way, and this is what it is. I think acceptance and just let go. That's what I feel. मैं तो यही करती हूँ. मुझे ऐसा लगता है सबको हमें ये करना चाहिए. हम कितना प्रेशर ले लेंगे यार, कितना we have a lot of things to do in our life. एक चीज को अगर लेके हम बैठ गए, then I don't think so it makes
because
sense.
you're someone who has done everything from your own.
Yeah.
सब कुछ self-made हुआ.
Yes, 100%.
So this is the thing I need to ask you that कि कब कैसे गुजरते हो इन चीजों से? पहला
होता है
ना?
मुझे तो मतलब I used to take a lot of tension and
pressure.
lot of
and that too when you
pressure.
have moved from some other city.
Yeah. And then I have realized, okay, it's fine. Things will come to you. Patience is the key, I think.
Correct.
यही है सबसे अच्छा.
But नहीं है आज के टाइम पे
नहीं
patience.
है,
पता
आपको
है?
करना पड़ेगा.
मतलब नहीं होता है पेशेंस. ऐसा लग रहा है कि यार कब मिलेगा, क्यों हो रहा है हमारे साथ ही, क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है ना, क्यों मैं ही रिजेक्ट हुई, ऐसा होता है. I don't know.
You must have seen also, like you must have faced everything.
Yes,
right?
absolutely.
I think it's there. It's not you and me. I think it's everywhere. Like
Correct.
everyone, director, producer, corporate, and like in acting, and everywhere is this. But it's just that I think आपको अपना focus change नहीं करना चाहिए. आपकी intentions अच्छी रहेंगी तो I think you will get everything.
Right.
And just let go and take a deep breath and say, please God, make my ways.
Absolutely. But tell me one thing that success taught you, also rejection taught you, or gave you a lesson.
Success, Jay, if I tell you that what I want in my life, I am not there right now. You know, I want more in my life. I think it's just a teaser in my life. I can't see like it's a full film. It's just a teaser. Like I have done this, I have done a couple of music videos and some movie with Salman sir and all this. But still, I feel अभी बहुत कुछ करना है लाइफ में. तो सक्सेस फॉर मी लाइक इट्स फाइन. अभी मैंने वो देखना है जहाँ पे शायद मैं बोल सकती हूँ मे बी इट चेंज्ड मी, यू नो. फेलियर यस आपको चेंज करते हैं, लेकिन again my upbringing, again my mindset, my mom, what she put her in head, so I think that made me strong. And I feel like फेलियर तो हर जगह पे होते हैं. आज मुझे अगर एक ऑडिशन देना है, वहाँ पे मैं गई हूँ और उनको नहीं पसंद आया, that's also failure, you know. Like I feel like oh my god, maybe I need to work on this more. No, you know, that's why I didn't like it. True. So I take it in that way. Right. Ki I think there is my fault. I need to work it on. Yeah.
Correct. But when you did a song with Honey Singh, was that a moment when you said that I am finally arrived?
No.
I can see that hunger. Very good, yeah. Very nice.
Not at all. Like when I did first song with him, and he was like, I was so happy. Although my mom was so happy, she's like, I always wanted you to do a song with him. I was like, you never told me. She said, yeah, because I didn't want you to chase that. You know, then you will think, okay, mama ne bola to mujhe karna hai. So I was like, mama was so happy. Then when I did second song with him, and that time I was very happy. I was like, okay, wow, this is, I think I'm on a right path. And yeah, it was a wonderful moment for me, but I can't say like it will change my life or, you know, that way. No, I need more.
Hunger has to be alive, I guess.
Yeah.
But tell me one thing, when you were working with Honey Singh, did the things around you influence, मतलब आप उनसे influence हो रही थी किसी चीजों को लेकर?
Honey तो again I feel like he is a very different person. मुझे लगता है कि I am very hungry for my work. Oh no, look at him. He is like so focused, and there is hunger in his eyes, you know, that he wants more. मैं जब भी उनको देखूँ, he's doing something, he's making his music, he's like मुझे इसके अलावा कुछ होता ही नहीं है हीरा. This is what I want in my life. This is what my life is.
Wow.
And इतनी शिद्दत से वो अपने काम को निभाते हैं, and the way he prep and all those. Yes, from that point of view I learned a lot from him. This is completely changed in me कि इतना अपने काम को कितना प्यार कर सकता है इंसान, वो मैंने हनी सिंह से सीखा है.
Wow, यार, very nice.
He is too good in that.
और कुछ songs आ रहे हैं आने वाले टाइम पे?
बिल्कुल आ रहे हैं.
With him?
Yes. With him also, with other singers also I'm doing some songs.
Now you all have bonded in very good friendship वाला चीज ना?
Yes.
Right. But tell me one thing, what is Cooking with Salman Khan? क्या चल रहा है?
क्या चल रहा है सर?
कोई तो
मेरा कुछ नहीं चल रहा उनसे.
अरे नहीं.
नहीं, उनके साथ मेरी मूवी आ रही है.
I know. Yes.
So let's see.
I want to listen this only from you.
Yes, I'm working. Like I worked with him, so the movie will release, I think, in couple of months. So we are waiting for that. And
I'm
again,
excited.
I'm so grateful about it. Like, thank you, God, and thank you, universe, that you gave me this
I think you can't talk anything about the movie, na?
No.
But tell me something BTS.
BTS, like, I'll tell you something about Salman sir. Like,
of course, yeah.
Yeah, he is so good. I mean, his as a human, oh my God, he is too good. Like, आप एक level पे जाके आप लोगों के अपने नीचे के लोगों के बारे में सोच रहे हो. I mean, wow. That is something, and that also changed in me something, you know. है ना? That कि यार आप, when you look, we are eating, and he is the star, and he's eating, and he doesn't care like about anyone, कोई बैठा नहीं बैठा, but he cares about everyone when he's a mega star. And still he's looking at everyone, okay, this and that. अरे उसको खाना नहीं मिला, अरे आपने उसको ऐसे क्यों नहीं किया, कहाँ पे है ये? And I was like, wow. I mean, wow. मतलब मैं बचपन से उनकी फैन हूँ, but मैं जब से मैंने सुना है कि वो बहुत humble है. I think I always connect with him with that thing, that he's very humble, and I have seen that from my eyes.
Oh yeah.
And I felt really good. That one thing I learned from him, कि humble होने के लिए आपको किसी चीज़ की कुर्बानी नहीं करनी पड़ती. आपको किसी चीज़ के लिए कुछ इतना वो नहीं करना पड़ता. You can be humble and nice in a good way.
We will play a segment while eating. Okay. Alright. So the segment is lunch table confession.
Alright.
ठीक है?
Yeah. Let's go.
One actor you would steal your fries without asking.
Aditya Roy Kapoor. Yeah.
Vanity van gossip listener or gossip creator?
I don't like gossips.
Are you sure at the moment?
Yeah, I mean, I don't do gossips. I don't even listen to gossips. Like, I put myself a little away from that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shoot pe always late or always waiting?
Always on time.
One co-star who has the best food on set?
Salman Khan. The Salman Khan.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What did you all had together? Any food you all had together? Any lunch scenes or?
उनका सारा खाना बहुत अच्छा होता है.
हाँ?
उनका खुद ही उनकी vanity होती है. उनकी van है. I think I'm sorry, I forgot the name, but yeah, तो सारा खाना वहीं पे बनता है, and the food is like, wow, it's
being
amazing.
human,
being human, human, something like that. Yeah. Yeah.
Most Punjabi thing about you?
आपको भी तो कुछ लगा?
सरसों दा साग.
Sarson the saag, yes, but I'm very foodie too. Like, yeah, I
You're
think
foodie?
I'm very foodie.
Tell me your routine, yaar. What do you like? What do you eat whole day?
I eat everything. My first.
किसी को लग रहा है यहाँ पे, किसी को नहीं लग रहा होगा.
नहीं, मैं सब कुछ खाती हूँ. मैं बहुत मीठा खाती हूँ. That's my. I can't control myself.
Every day?
Every day. Every day. Like I need something.
But there's a myth that you eat sugar, you get fat.
I'm again, Jaya. I think I'm very blessed, and I'm very my thing is like, thank you God made me like this only.
See us. एक दिन मीठा खाते हैं इतने हो जाते हैं.
आप सोचते हो, सोचना बंद कर दो, आपको कुछ नहीं लगेगा. ट्रस्ट मी, मैं नहीं सोचती. मैं कुछ भी खाती तो मैं सोचती नहीं. बट अदर with that I do work out a lot also. Like मैं कभी miss नहीं करती हूँ. Every day I have to go for my workout. So maybe that way also.
Wow.
Yeah.
One thing you can never fake in this industry.
I can't be fake. I think that's the
Okay.
thing. Whatever is there, like if I don't like in you, I will tell you. If I like something in you, I will come and tell you, oh my God, Jaya, this is what I like in you. But what I don't like in you, I will tell, I don't think so, this will work for
Wow,
me.
yeah.
Yeah.
Red flag in people.
The way they talk to like their surrounding. I don't like people who shouted on people and all. I just can't take it.
Wow. Green flag in actors.
And actors, like, they help each other. Like when I worked with Randeep Hooda, so he was so good to me. Like he was helping me throughout. He's telling me, stand like this, do this and that. Otherwise, big actors, they don't give a fuck about you. Like, aap karo. But he was like so good. I think that's the thing I like, yeah.
Wow. One role you're not gonna do anytime soon.
हाँ यार, मैंने सोचा ही नहीं कभी.
But have you any criteria or strategy that this kind of role I wanna work with and someone I wanna not?
No, I want to do some periodic films. That's what my agenda in my life. Like the movies, like जो किसी बायोपिक हो या किसी जो मैं जिसके थ्रू मैं लोगों को कुछ ऐसा दिखा सकूं जो उन्होंने कभी देखा नहीं है और मेरे थ्रू वो they can learn something like that kind of roles I want to do. Yeah.
Wow. Any recent film you saw and you thought of I काश मैं इसकी part होती?
Yeah, so many are there.
Which one?
Recently, like Dhurandhar, I felt like okay, I think मुझे भी उसमें एक spy होना चाहिए था. मुझे भी शायद ये करना चाहिए.
Have you texted Aditya?
No, I haven't. I'm just waiting for the right moment to go and meet him.
Wow,
Yeah.
very nice. Glam look or no makeup hoodie day?
No makeup. I love makeup a lot, but still I feel like okay. I think that आप उठे हो, just tie your hair and you just go and I want that kind of skin actually.
If not actress, then what?
Nothing. I can't think anything else. I don't have any other plan B or something. No, I can't think anything. Or maybe in future, like maybe I'm working on it. I want to be in a motivational speaker in my life. That's what I want to do. But acting is there. But I can't leave acting. But yes, this is also I want to do. But there's no plan B or something. Yeah.
Your favorite joint in Mumbai?
It's in Versova.
Okay.
The Project Hum. I really love to go there. I used to go there a lot.
One place people should visit in Mohali whenever they go or Chandigarh?
Mohali.
Or Chandigarh, yeah.
Chandigarh, yeah, I think sector 7, 8, 9, these are the hubs. Like, I think people will love it. And yeah, that's the vibe.
What's the most desi thing you have done in your life?
Oh my God, I am desi. Like, whenever I meet someone, what people say, like, oh my God, she's very desi. Like, I was like, yeah, I love it. I can't change this in me. Desi? What do you mean?
Nahin.
Like, abhi Bombay mein when I shifted, to I didn't know anything. I'm from Mohali. Like, here people are like completely different.
Correct.
And I was like, abhi who मैं यार मैं क्या करूँ? Who मैं desi? I can't change this. I don't want to change this in me. Yeah.
One director you really want to collaborate with?
Oh, one only.
Okay, then
No.
let's take 3.
There's
Let's
so
take
many.
3.
Okay. The first is Prakash Jha. Yeah. And I mean, there are 3 like Imtiaz Ali and Sanjay Leela Bhansali, of course.
Have you ever met him or texted them?
Yes, I have met him once. Yeah, long time back. Yeah.
जाने से पहले क्या बोलना चाहेंगे अपने फैंस को? खाने के बारे में, अपने बारे में, उनको खाना तो आपने कुछ खाया नहीं वैसे.
I'm eating.
But yeah, Go ahead and speak to your fans.
I just wanted to say this: keep loving me and keep. I'll try my best to give them nice work, and I'll try my best to khara utro on their thoughts and all. And yes, please keep loving me and keep accepting me.
And you're meeting us after Matrabhumi or before Matrabhumi?
You tell me when you want to meet me. Like
Whenever you give your time.
we'll try to meet like both the times, like before also, after
Yay!
also. Yeah.
But thank you so much, Hira, talking to me. It was such a lovely and good conversation. Very heart to heart
Thank
you
you.
spoke. Thank you so much for giving your
Thank
time.
you so
Means
much.
a
Aya.
lot.
Thank you so much.
Thank
It means
you.
a lot to me. Thank you.